DeepBlue Technology is a fast-growing and leading company in the top tier of the artificial intelligence industry. It has dedicated to AI fundamental research and application development. DeepBlue has been able to insert in-depth layouts in fields including self-driving, intelligent robots, biological intelligence, AI chips, intelligent retail, intelligent city, intelligent security, intelligent education. DeepBlue holds the idea that artificial intelligence should be in the service for the common people. DeepBlue Technology was created by a team of PhDs who returned from overseas in 2014. Now DeepBlue has nearly 100 full-time doctoral and postdoctoral academic leaders, and several hundred researchers graduated from prestigious institutions working in its scientific research institutions around the world. They have creatively invented several dozens of original patents, algorithms, and original technologies. The team has won the first prize in multiple international and domestic competitions repeatedly. DeepBlue Technology has already launched DeepBlue Pattaya Self-Driving Commercial Utility Vehicle, DeepBlue Self-Driving Mopping Robot, DeepBlue Ant-Man Logistics Robot, DeepBlue Wall-E Security Guard Robot, DeepBlue Vending Robot, DeepBlue In-Vehicle Robot, Biometric Car Key Technology, DeepBlue AI Self-Vending Machine, Dalan, DeepBlue Shaolin Refrigerator, DeepBlue AI Self-Checkout Counter. Right now, these products have great influence in fundamental research of international artificial intelligence in different industries. Nowadays, DeepBlue is going from China to the world. Today, DeepBlue has established regional headquarters, research and development branches in Europe, America, Australia, etc., with its sales network covering 17 countries around the globe. It has created joint ventures with Aeon Group of Japan, ranked 87th in the world, and Greenland Group, one of the Fortune Global 500. DeepBlue owns the following key technologies: deep learning, machine vision, self-driving, biometrics, data mining, handwriting recognition technology, intelligent robots, intelligent control, AI chips, AI products, and so on. Look into the future. DeepBlue Technology will be based in Shanghai and serve the world. Technology and products of DeepBlue will be implemented in the rapid-growing key industries in the world. DeepBlue aspires to become a world-class AI maker that will be dedicated to fundamental research and application development. It will be a world-class international AI maker. Looking for a solution? Welcome to DeepBlue. DeepBlue, dedicated to AI fundamental research and application development.